If you're thinking of RVing in the Florida Keys and want a little more than a place just to park the RV, this is one resort you need to check out. This is Sun Outdoors Islamorada, and today we're going to show you around. If you're new here, welcome. We're all about the RV life, outdoor adventure, and checking out the best campgrounds across the country. If that's your vibe, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Now let's dive into today's video. Sun Outdoors Islamorada is a luxury waterfront RV resort located in the heart of the Florida Keys. They offer RV sites as well as lodging sites. All of the RV sites here are full hookup and big rig friendly. They have a mixture of back ends and pull-throughs. Some of the sites are basic and some of them have upgrades like the one we're on. We are on site F5 and it's a gravel site, but they have this really cool brick pavered patio here in the front. We have a little palm tree right there. It's kind of tight, but I mean, we have room, and check out the grill they have here. They have a grill and a refrigerator there, and then this really nice patio table has a hole. You can put an umbrella there. We did have to squeeze in the back. We didn't fit in the front. But that's our site. And all of the sites here are full hookup. It's a really nice RV resort. You see the other pull-throughs over there. They have a mixture of pull-throughs and back ends. We opted for the pull-through. We're just here for one night. And they all pretty much look the same. They're all about the same size, all on gravel. Now, I just noticed we have the patio set and the grill and the refrigerator, and this one does not. So, they're not all the same. Huh, they don't either. So, I guess we got a deluxe site. They also have all of the amenities you'd expect from a top-tier resort. They have a gorgeous pool area with plenty of lounge chairs available and these awesome cabanas that you can rent. And then over here they have a covered pavilion with TVs, some gaming tables, and comfy seating. Just behind the pool there are additional loungers giving you a great place to watch the sunrise. They also have this area over here that's set up with grills and picnic tables that you can use, and there's cornhole games over here. There's an on-site marina here, and they offer kayak and paddleboard rentals, and they have a cool little food truck. From the moment you pull in, you can tell that this place was built for relaxing with those island vibes and upscale touches. The whole park is beautifully landscaped, and we really enjoyed our stay here. So if you're looking for a relaxing, high-end resort in the Florida Keys, Sun Outdoors Islamorada is definitely one to add to your list. And don't forget, we've got full campground reviews on every stop on our Florida Keys RV trip, so make sure you check out the playlist. I'll put it in the description down below. This is site C16. Again, no grill, but you have the brick paver, little patio area, patio table, and a pergola. There's some more of their cute cottages. And that's the office building, the pool right there, and the water view. Here's a couple of more. The one on the right is D17. This one is D19. These are back ends. They have the brick paver patio and the patio dining set. And this is the view out here. This is site E22, has the brick patio, the patio set, and you can see right back there, there's a gas fire pit. Thanks for watching today, y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.